Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Paul. Sorry about the boring background behind me today. I'm in the kitchen and it's just too sunny to have the screen the other way. So I'm just going to do a really quick training. I've got a meeting in like 20 minutes. So I thought, okay, this would make a great little training just to fit in for you guys about maximizing the content that you do. So let me share screen. And jump on here. Okay, so I wrote this out and I guess I can put this document, it's a Google Doc, so I can make a PDF or let you guys see it, but it's a really simple list. So number one, do a Facebook Live. Why? Because Facebook creates an audience for you, so you might as well take advantage of that fact, okay? Share your video to other groups or pages or your own timeline, depending on where you recorded it. Obviously, if you've got other Facebook assets, you might as well put it there if it's relevant. Okay, why not go and put it in, say, 10 other groups? I mean, there's lots and lots of MLM groups, online marketing groups, affiliate marketing groups, e-com groups. There's groups for everything on Facebook. So you could go and you could post your video. Now, the reason why I'm saying post your video in there, as in your Facebook Live, and I'll show you how to do that if you're not sure, is that Facebook don't like you to leave the Facebook ecosystem. Facebook like to keep people inside of Facebook. So rather than share a link that takes them, you know, to a blog post or something, you can just put the video straight in. So let me show you how to do that. So here's a live I did yesterday. It's only got 121 views so far. They normally get more than that. Obviously, it wasn't a very good title. But what you do is if you right click, you can see this option here, look, show video URL. Okay, so that brings up the URL. So now I can copy that. And I can go and paste that anywhere I like. Okay, well, I can paste it anywhere, but particularly in Facebook is where it's useful. Okay, that is the link that takes people straight to that video. And in Facebook, it will play inside Facebook as well, which is cool. So that's how you get the URL. And you can post that URL in, like I say, other relevant groups. Just do it manually. If you do it too quick, Facebook could put you in jail, so don't go like a machine gun. You know, if you do it manually, you shouldn't be able to do it fast enough, really. Okay, so use keepvid.com to download the Facebook Live. Now, you can go to the mobile version of Facebook on your computer and download the video. I like to use this site, keepvid.com. The reason why, because you can take videos from YouTube. I believe you can do Vimeo. You can certainly do from Facebook, sort of pretty much anywhere. So you put that link in there and you click download. Okay, and it will come up. See, it always says here, content cannot be played. That is an advert. Ignore the advert. Okay, and if it comes up telling you need to download something, ignore it. Okay, I've had that occasionally where a pop-up's come up and it says, oh, you need to download this. You don't. All you need to do is go here, look, download MP4. And I can right click over that, save link as, or if I want to do the high quality one, it's up to you. I normally just do that one, save link as, and then that will save that video for me as an MP4, okay, and I can put that wherever I want to. So now I've got my video, I can upload it to YouTube, and Ray did an excellent YouTube training on how to make it rank on YouTube, you know, putting the tags in and the title. So now I've downloaded my Facebook Live, I can actually upload it to YouTube. The great thing about uploading it to YouTube is I can go and I can put it on a blog post. So you see, look, I've done episodes so people can see that I've got more content out there, okay? So I'm building up the episodes. But now I've got my video on YouTube, I can use the embed code, or some blog platforms just need you to put the link in, but I can put the embed code in, I can create a blog post, or I could put it on maybe a page. If you've got ClickFunnels, for example, maybe it's a good video to put on to make like a sales page with a call to action and a button underneath. So now I've got my blog post, I can send that to my email list, or if you did it on a ClickFunnels page, I can send it to my email list. And then I can repost the blog to Facebook and I can run ads, or I could just run ads to the video if it's got a good call to action in. Either way, it doesn't matter, but you can run ads. You might spend, say, $5. If it's a particularly good blog post, blog posts are a good way of doing it because it's like, here's a resource, here's a great blog post I found. you know, so you can do that. And if it's got your links underneath with your call to action, so much the better. And I mean, literally, guys, you could spend a couple of dollars just boosting. Or it's better to place a proper ad, but you could just spend a couple of dollars to send traffic to a blog post. And if your blog is good, it will have other adverts at the side of the calls to action are actually in the content. So all we did is we did one Facebook Live, but you can see we're getting that in other groups. We're getting it on YouTube. We're getting it on a blog. We're sending it to our list to stay in touch with them. And we can then run ads to it as well to get more traffic to it. Whole process, I can do it in about an hour, if that, and it means I'll put my content out every day. When you get good at it, it depends how much of a blog post you want to write, I guess. If you want to write a lot of words to support your video, I tend not to. I tend to rely on more the video stuff, because video is great for creating rapport and building a relationship with your audience. So there you go. I said that would be a quick training. I think the steps are pretty self-explanatory. If you work your way through them, you get this down to a fine art. So let me see if I can stop sharing the screen. Good. And with that said, I will see you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you're all enjoying this and applying what you're learning. That's the main thing. Apply what you're learning, guys. And you get so much better at it as you go. See you on the next video. Thanks a lot.